Have you been wondering how to simplify and save on costs when managing your payslips and financial statements? Cellfind has the answer. miPayslip is a cost-effective, secure service which allows you, the employer, to send an electronic version of the actual payslip directly to your employee's phone. Employees receive their payslip as a password-protected WAP link or USSD string via SMS to easily keep track of their monthly income and settle accounts on time wherever they are with no need for a computer or email address. miStatement works in a similar way, allowing you to send a financial statement directly to your customer's cell phone via SMS. This means easy and effective account statement access, easy tracking and management for service providers, security in knowing statements are always delivered on time and without any paper, printing or postage costs. And customers can easily keep track of accounts and manage them effectively with immediate access to monthly statements, allowing them to settle all accounts on time from anywhere. All miPayslip and miStatements are sent from a safe and secure facility for your peace of mind. Cellfind is here to assist you to easily manage your accounts in the palm of your hands.